Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our very first course here in this channel. In this course, I will teach you how to create a CRUD application using Angular and Spring Boot. So this way we can create, we can modify, and also delete and register in database. So we will start with the front end of our application. This way we can start creating our views and screens, and after we will connect to the backend. And first of all, to start using Angular, we will need especially the Node.js. If you have Windows OS, I recommend you to come to nodejs.org and download the last LTS version. But if you have a Linux machine like as I do, I show you as a following how to do. First, you have the curl installed, and after this, it's a simple command. So it's actually from apt. You can do the sudo apt install dash epsilon node.js. With this command, um, we can actually install the node here. I actually already have it installed, so if I do the node dash dash version, I have here the same LTS version. If you have any issue with this step, leave a comment below and I will try to help you. But I think it's very easy to install, and even if you are in a Windows or Linux, I think it's a common tool to install. But especially we need the node because the npm. So the npm is a package manager. As for example, in Java we have Maven, who install all our dependencies we put in POM. And here, for to manage to install globally our Angular, we will need the npm as well. To check if you have correctly installed npm, the command is npm dash dash version, and we need this npm installed. And after this, we can install the Angular package in our machine. So to install the last version, we can do as following: npm install Angular slash CLI. This command runs a lot of package, so it's common to have a little lazy here. After this, we will have a lot of packages added, and to check if you have the Angular correctly installed, the command is ng version. So here I have the Angular CLI 70, and my node version is 20.11. My OS Linux, and I think is it. So in this course we will use the last version of Angular at this time, I high recommend you to install the last version, even if you are watching me in the future, because we have especially the same prefix, the same syntax. Or I think is that common. If you're not familiarized with Angular version, it's common to have these days high number of versions because we have a new releases each 6 months. So for LTS version, we have support of 12 months, and for non LTS, it's actually 6 months. So now we can create our project to verify if everything is good with our installation. So you can create a new folder in your machine. I will create here a new folder named CRUD dash Angular, and I will open the terminal here. So um, to create a new app, a new project with Angular, we will start using the ng command. And to create a new app, the command is ng new, and after this we put the name which we want for our app. So we can call it ng dash CRUD. After this, we'll have some steps to choose which style sheet we need. So I prefer SCSS. Um, they ask about enable server-side rendering. The full answer is no because we already will have Angular routing. The project is starting to be creating here. This command can take some minutes, but after this package is installed successfully, we have here our project, and we can actually go through this directory. So I can show here ngcrud, cd ngcrud. I have here all my files, and a common test to check if everything is alright is we can serve our application and see if everything is fine. The command is ngserve, and this will build, and this is gonna be start at localhost. So if we come here to our browser and type localhost port 4200, we have our hello world in Angular. So these steps is quite easy, and this shows us if everything runs well on our setup, and everything with I did in my terminal. You can do the same if you're running in prompt cmd in Windows. And now I want to show you the Visual Studio Code, which is gonna be our IDE for developing front end. So you can use the link below or type code visualstudio.com. If you are using Linux, you can download the deb, or if you are using the Windows, you can download the installer as well. Um, and I think for this video is it. In the next video, I will show you the first extensions which I recommend to use, and I will say some things about the project structure.